Hey, welcome again gang, Skypilot here. Welcome to my channel. The EMAX Babyhawk R Pro. Yeah, I'm just going to fly around and test out these new props I've got on my EMAX here. These are the 4052 Gem Fan props. I recently flew this again and did some work on my VTX antenna. So now I'm just going to see how it flies with these props. Hopefully it's going to be a little bit more smoother. This is a fast unit, guys. It's really quick. Check out my last videos. It's good to see you. If you're new, guys, please smash on that thumbs up and that bell. Quick line of sight first. Make sure everything is running as it should. Oh yeah, straight away those props are nice and smooth. Oh, excellent. Oh, that's cool. That's a lot smoother than the standard props, although they are quite aggressive, the standard props, but these I think are a bit wider, so they're going to offer a little bit more smoothness to my flight. Right. EMAX Pro, let's go. Oh, Mr. Tree's there. Oh. What a fabulous thing to fly this is, guys. This is a fast ripper unit. You can still get it from the EMAX side, I believe. I have got a couple of spares from it. If you have a look in the links, if you guys need some spares. This is going to be one of my long-term keepers, this thing. It's a cracker. Of course, with that Rush lollipop I've got on the back there, that's given me really awesome VTX performance compared to the stock standard one. Oh, there is a power line there. Crikey, stay clear of that. There's my low battery alarm. I can hear it beeping from here. Oh, well, that was interesting. Yeah, that was a user error, guys. Sorry, wrong button. I hit the wrong switch. Oh, we seem to be sporting some low batteries. Okay. I think we better go land. Quick flight, guys. Test out these new props, and I'm pretty happy with what I see. Looking pretty good. It's really smooth. Okay, we are out of power. What a lovely little unit to fly. Thanks gang, see you again. Take care. Skypilot. Bye for now.